Solve how to fix low FPS issues in Outriders on Windows. 1. Change your power plan. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Install all Windows updates. 4. Run Outriders on DX. 12. By changing Steam launch options section, type for Paste Force DX12. 5. Enable HAGS, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, in Windows graphics settings. Tab. Display settings, multiple displays, graphics settings, default settings, change default graphics settings.